Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and yourself. With the parking brake set and wheels chalked, remove interior trim pieces to access fasteners. Once done, peel back the front weather strip and unclip the hood seal to expose front bolts. Use a socket and extension to remove the 4 front top bolts. Keep them in a labeled container so you don't mix sizes. Do this first because the front edge supports alignment. Loose or missing bolts will let the top shift when you lift it. Next, focus on the sides where the top mates to the body. Disconnect drain hoses and any electrical connectors to prevent tears. Release the latch cams and remove the 2 bolts per side at the belt line. These secure the top to the quarter panels. Make sure covers and seals are folded back so nothing binds. Once both sides are freed, station your helpers, one at each side and one at the rear to steady the shell. This prevents catching on the door frames and helps control weight balance during removal. Finally, you lift the top straight up using coordinated, even pressure. Avoid tilting. One person should guide the rear while others steady the sides. Communicate count of 1, 2, 3, and lift together. After clearing the rear pillars, move the top to a padded stand or blanket and store it upright to prevent sagging. If you feel resistance, stop and recheck fasteners and seals. More often than not, a stuck edge is an overlooked bolt or compressed seal that needs slight loosening before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.